Here I'm going to show you how to wipe your hard drive completely clean. I've already downloaded the software onto this disk. Now we just got to start the machine and tell it to boot from the disk. So power it up. Should be able to hit F2 and go into the BIOS. Okay, now we're in the BIOS. It's very simple. Go to the boot screen, the boot priority, and the first boot device is going to be changed to CD DVD. Enter that. Escape F10 to save that. We want to save our changes. This is going to ask if you want to save it. That's yes. So what we're going to do now is put this, run this disk. It'll start automatically. This here is just to wipe your hard drive clean if you want to delete all your information permanently so it can't be recovered, or if you want to install new software fresh. And Windows 7 actually will run over the previous OS and doesn't completely do a fresh install, even though it says it does. So here we're going to do enter for the interactive mode. This is Derek's boot and nuke software, as you can see. It's pretty good stuff. I used this several times. Works great. It will take some time depending on the selection you take. I'll show you here in a second. Okay, great. So what we're looking at now is basically I'm going to select enter to select the hard drive. Now it says wipe on that particular hard drive. I'm going to select M for method, and there's several methods here, as you can see. It actually gets pretty intense. It can take anywhere from an hour and a half to a day and a half. Depends on how paranoid you are or whatever. But I'm going to select the quick erase, and this here should take me about an hour, maybe 2 hours. So everything's selected. It says here press F10 to start, F10 to start, and it's on its way. It's going to give you a runtime and about what it takes to complete this task. And it says that there's an hour and 32 minutes left to wipe this drive clean, and that's on a 340 gig. So let's take a break, and I'll get back at you in a little bit. So here we are, checking back in with you guys, and as you can see, we're sitting at 82% complete, the format part, and looking at almost 2 hours of runtime with a half an hour left, and that depends on a lot solely on the speed of your computer. This laptop is working with a 2.53 dual core with a 1066 bus, and it's not too bad. It's fairly snappy for a laptop. And I'll check back with you guys a little bit. Okay, here we are again. As you can see, the process is now complete. So it took a little over 2 hours, which is pretty good for the speed on this machine. Like I said before, there's a few different settings here to go from simple complete wipe, which is number one that I used, to all the way to government styled wipe the disk in 7-8 different passes and several different ways. But this is pretty much where the information can't be retrieved. For example, when you delete a file in Windows, the first couple characters on the file are wiped clean, but the file actually still remains on your computer, a picture, a credit card number, a document, whatever, so it can be retrieved easily with no problem. I've actually experimented with several installs of Windows and gone back and retrieved the first copy of pictures and files from the first install after like 4 installs of Windows. So basically, it's still in your machine. For example, Windows 7 doesn't give you an option that I've seen to format the drive completely. Even though it says it's doing a quick format, it's really not it's very generic format. However, in Windows XP, you noticed you can do a quick format or a long regular format. And regular format in XP actually wiped the drive pretty decent. Windows 7 is actually just running over the top of itself and saving settings and saving your files and all kinds of stuff in there that's used before is being saved. So you're just running over the top of it, and it's replacing barely anything. So just a quick install of 7 over 7 is not doing any good. And this program is a good way to completely erase and just get rid of files and keep your information secure. Just to keep your machine running straight, smooth, down the road, a fresh install is the best way to get your machine back up and running, smooth, fast, and regain all your resources. Alright, thanks. Talk to you later.